Athi ngikucebise kancane. Yabo, njengoba abantu befuna ukuba nemali nje. Akekho umuntu ofuna ukuba nemali ukuze ayibuke nje. Ibe khona nje. Ibe i-decoration. Abantu bafuna imali ukuyispenda, right? Abantu bafuna uku-investa ngemali. Ngabe u-investor ebhizinisini lakhe, ngabe u-investor kuyena, ngabe u-investor kwi-financial market. Abantu bafuna ukwenza lonto bese bayayisave ke futhi. Obviously ke lokho kuphathelene nebhenki asikubeka eceleni. Asize la khona befuna ukuyispenda khona imali abantu. Siphinde size la futhi befuna khona ukuyi-invest. Right? Lento i-system nje, yabo? So wena okwakho in the meantime, le system le ziposition kuyo ukuthi wena uba ngapi, uma ngapi, khona uzokwazi ukuthola le mali le yale system. Njoba befuna ukuspenda, bheka ukuthi bafuna ukuyispenda phi, mabe ispend imali, bafuna ukuyispenda phi. La befuna ukuyispenda khona, are you willing yini wena ukuma khona, uyimukele lo mali leyo? Ngoba nawe vele mawuyimukela lo mali la beyispenda khona, nawe uyimukelela ukuthi uyibuke nje. Uyimukelela ukuthi uyaspenda and someone else should position him or herself la khona wena uzokwazi ukuthi uspende khona. Amukele naye ukuze iqhubeke kanjalo icycle. Angithi ayizwe indaba. So furthermore ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi ngenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Uma ngabe kuukuthi ke sikhuluma ngoku-investor ke bafuna uku-investor. Njoba sengikhulumile ngokwe-spending. Would position yourself la bafuna ukuspenda khona bona. Mhlambe to drive this point home. Let me put it this way. Uthola ukuthi abantu bafuna ukuthatha mhlambe for an example bafuna ukudla. Yabo umuntu mase nemali uyakufuna ukudla. Are you willing to provide food? Do you have the passion for food? Do you get that? Bafuna ukuyikhipha. Obvious bazoyidinga i-transport. Are you willing to provide the transport for them? Are you willing to take that business opportunity? Bafuna umuntu mase nemali vela akafuna ukuhlala kupho. In the meantime uzoqasha. Are you willing to provide indlu azoqasha kuyo? Yabo? Akekho umuntu ofuna imali ukuyibuka nje. Wena bheka ukuthi bafuna ukwenzani ngale mali. Bafuna ukwenzani? Wena are you willing in to provide that? Cause nawe ngisho usunayo. Still ngeke ufuna ukuyibuka, nawe uzofuna ukuyisebenzisa. Someone else should position him or herself there. Size kule part ye investment. Abantu bafuna uku-investa ngemali. Bafuna uku-investa, ufuna umuntu uku-investa ebusinessini lakhe, right? Mhlawumbe umuntu unebusiness elithile lokwakha amagwinya, for an example. Ufuna uku-investa more, avule more containers, athenge more mafutha. Obvious me expanda escale uzothenga more amafutha, more like raw materials to produce igwinya, oflour yini. Are you willing to provide those raw materials azo expanda ngawo yena? Omunye ufuna uku-expanda ekuthenini abe nalokhu njani transportation eningi. Are you willing to sell those cars? Omunye ufuna uku-expanda ngokuthi avule more shops adayisa impahla. Are you willing to make more of those materials azowadinga yena? Because each and every business yabo i-end product yelinye business, i-raw material yelinye business, yabo? So uma ngabe umuntu efuna uku-investa ebusinessini lakhe athi uya-expanda athi uya-scale, obviously he or she will buy more of your products, ne? He or she will buy more of your product. So position yourself there. I need to see what you have managed to position yourself. I have given you the scenario where you will be positioning yourself for an individual, and I've made a scenario where you are positioning yourself for a business person. Yabo? To invest in the business. mangiqhubeka kulokho omunye ufuna uku-investa kuyena qobo lwakhe ufuna ukufunda uku-investa kuyena are you willing to provide a certain kind of like knowledge or education yazi kangcono wena that you are going to be able to impact to another person ukuthi akukhokhele ukuze afunde abe ne-knowledge yaziyo uyabo yaziyo because this is the second part now angithi yabo ukuthi lento yaziyo wena ufuna uku-investa kuyena alright okwazi ukuyifundisa mhlawumbe ufuna ukufundisa ukudansa fundisa phela ukudansa mhlawumbe ufundisa i-accounting fundisa i-accounting phela fundisa i-acting fundisa it's about schooling now it's about education they want to invest in themselves position yourself what do you know better that you can teach people ngeba ngithe second part now it is not about you being perfect kuleyo yinto it's not about you being perfect it's not about you having a perfect product or a perfect service or a perfect education system or whatever it's not a matter of you being perfect but it's a matter of you doing the best you can and the most important part you should be able to selling and marketing you should be able to do that because you find with some people are possessing a very great talent or product or service but they think they need to be perfect uthola ukuthi umuntu who is selling crap is selling widely scaling odayisa nje just a crap not even something that is great obona now uyayihlula lento kodwa udayisa impela nje ngoba uyakwazi udayisa wena odayisa into equality right kakhulu awudayisi lutho ngenxa yokuthini you don't know how to sell la emhlabeni kuyadayisa selling is not about like lento ecabanga kuphela even you wena ufuna umsebenzi you are selling yourself even you uconvince ingane ukuthi ayigeze you are selling an idea ukuthi ingane ithande le idea leyo ukuthi kubalulekile ngigeze you are selling utshela ingane ukuthi ayifunde iphase ekhona kuzoba nje kube we are selling that's the idea selling is about you persuading someone impacting with wena lento uyibelieve ukuthi izomsiza because it's all about selling it's all about wena ukuthi uconvey lento ukwazi ukuthi umshintshe umqondo but it should be the benefit of that particular person not ukuthi uwenze into for your own selfish gains ube wazi kahle ukuthi lento le oyidayisayo mhlawumbe ayezi lento le oyishoyo wena yabo mhlawumbe unama hidden motives wena lapho ke wena uyiqola ke lapho ngithi yabo it is not about ukuthi wena uzoba nento perfect it's about wena ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi uyikhiphe is go out umuntu abe aware and you bring an awareness marketing is all about bringing an awareness yabo not ukuthi it's about wena ubanga isidina la ebantwini it's about you bringing an awareness how ngizobona naku seya market sengikhohlisa amazambane ngiyawadinga let me buy them because now I see them now they are being advertised yabo so it's all about that in this thing position yourself where they want to spend money so this is the last part here now this is the last part of it is this one about me myself there are things that I know which people love them they can pay for them but I can never immerse myself into those things because they are not me and they are not mine I don't even care but good people mele wazi which is not about money here it is also important to have that passion for something yabo because you'll end up being a slave selling your soul just for money if you are going to provide something that you are not even passionate about yabo so it's all about now in yon it's about knowing yourself ukuthi yini opassionate ngayo that is where sengena lento ukuthi be true to yourself ukuthi upassionate ngani wena angithi sengena lento authority ke futhi internal authority you cannot tell me to do something that I don't want to do even though I can see there's a business opportunity there but if I don't like it I don't take it I'm not like people are acting from the point of being ukuba stranded and ukuba khona legama ebengilifuna leni uthola ukuthi uxayekile uswele so ya cycling for less i-universe detector kona lokho ukuthi wena you are not even worthy uthatha anything so bese yenza njani